What's going on, guys? Dwayne here with my investment journey, and I am back again. In this video, I'm going to be talking to you guys about Gladstone Capital, ticker symbol GLAD. Actually, in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you my second dividend payment. That's right, my second dividend payment. I love dividend paying stocks, especially stocks that pay dividend monthly, and Gladstone Capital falls under that particular category. So that's what I'm going to be talking to you guys in this video. But hey, if you're new to the channel, once again, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey, and on this channel, I talk about how to start investing in the stock market, and I show you my investment journey. So be sure to subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Okay, so when it comes to investing in the stock market, man, it's been a very, very rocky road for me, and yeah, slowly but surely, I'm digging myself out of the hole that I caught myself in 2020 because I was trying to be a day trader. For some reason, I, along with a lot of other people, fell in love with trading, and so I thought, oh, day trading, oh, I can do it. It's a pretty simple concept. I understand it. It's so simple. It is not so simple. As a matter of fact, there was a time that I was down almost $60,000. It was like 59,000 and some change. As a matter of fact, I'll show you guys on the screen here. So I'm logged into my account right now, and I'll show you guys. Well, it's okay. First of all, this is a little bit more dramatic than than it's supposed to be. I think here we go. This is more accurate because I was like, wait, why is it saying? It's saying $69,000. Okay, fine, 63. I can't read. $63,000. So there's a time in October of 2020 when I was down negative $63,000. And the reason why I'm showing you guys that is because I want to be, pretty transparent as far as this channel is concerned and what you can kind of expect in regards to the stock market. I think one of the easiest ways to make money in the stock market is to invest in dividend paying stocks, especially if you can do research and invest in companies that are solid in regards to paying dividends, or even if they're going to increase on their share prices over time. There's a lot of companies that are currently rebounding from coronavirus, so this is a great opportunity for you to grab some shares and, hunker down, fingers crossed, and hopefully that they'll kind of return to where they were before coronavirus. And I think that's very possible. One of my strategies when I first got started was I wanted to invest in airline stocks. And so the very first company that I invested in was an airline company. And unfortunately, it was an airline company that was, I want to say South/Central America. And so the reason why I invested in that particular company was because the shares were pretty low. I was like, I'm going to invest in this company because the share is pretty low. I can get a whole bunch of shares, XYZ. And I kind of burned myself that way. But there was a time where I had shares with like United. I had shares with American Airlines. I had shares with Spirit. And at that time, those shares were a lot cheaper than they are right now. As a matter of fact, just to show you and just to continue this whole transparency, I'll show you guys that I did have shares with United. So I know I have shares with United off the top of my head. So I'll just show you guys, and you guys can cry with me as we look back when I had shares with United. Okay, right here. So you can see the history on the screen right now. And so the very first time I bought shares with United, I bought shares back in May 2020, and I had 1,000 shares, and at the time it was $28 per share. So I spent $27,999.90. Okay. I sold those same 1,000 shares and I made a little bit of profit. Okay. But I want to show you guys, and this is what's crazy, right? So I'll show you guys right here on June 3rd, 2020, right? I had 2,160 shares, and at that time it was $33.50 per share. Now, if I had just sat still with the shares that I had in the beginning, I would be, in a good position. So once again, this is back June 3rd, 2020, and you're seeing that I had 2,160 shares. Now, right now, United is trading for, this is $33.53. Right now, let's see what United is traded for right now. Okay, so United is trading right now for $57. So let's just say that that's an increase of $20. Remember, I had 2,160 shares. So 2,160 shares times 20 would have been like over $40,000 if I had just sat still with that particular company, with that particular purchase, right? So this is quite interesting. When it comes to the stock market, there's a bunch that you have to learn, right? And a lot of it is trial and error. And most of the time, people don't have the patience or the money or the time, you know, to endure all of what you need to endure. So once again, I want to give you guys a real snapshot of what's going on and what has gone on in regards to my account. And that's just one example. There are a lot of different companies that I bought shares back when Corona happened, and I was like, oh, this is a great opportunity. But I didn't sit still because I was so in love with day trading. And day trading is just, it's super hard. Like I don't encourage anybody to try it. It is super hard. You have to be a different type of human being. You have to have ice in your veins. You know what I mean? Like, it's just not insanely easy. Anyway, so I'm going to click on my tab here, which is going to be with Gladstone. Currently, at the making of this video, it's trading for $12 per share. So as you guys can see, my total market value is $12,138.77. My total return, which is pretty freaking cool, is $1,228.44. So I'm currently up 11.26%. My average cost per share is $10.79. And currently I have a little bit over 1,000 shares, 1,011 shares. So let me scroll down and show you guys here my second dividend payment. This is my second dividend payment with Gladstone. Let me click on dividends here to the right. And so just you guys can see the very first payment was on April 30th. And I'll show you guys here at that particular time, I had 1,000 shares and they're paying out 0.065, which is like almost 7 cents, right? Or it's like 6 cents, 6.5 cents. And so that allowed me to get $65 worth of dividend payment. And of course that was reinvested. Then the most recent payment here was for May 28th, which was $65.38. So of course that was also reinvested, and I'll show you guys right here. The $65.38 was reinvested, and I was able to pick up another 5.68 shares at $11.50. And since then, it's gone up because remember, the average, the cost per share right now is $12. So that's kind of cool that since I grabbed those extra shares, once again, see, the cost right now is $12 per share. So I'm really, really invested with these dividend paying types of stocks. In the future, I'm pretty sure I'll invest into some index funds for sure, just because of all the research that I'm doing. I'm continuously learning about the stock market and different ways to make money. There's a lot of ways to skin the cat in regards to the stock market, and I'm not going to pretend to be a guru at any point in regards to the stock market. I'm just going to share with you guys my journey and kind of what it is I'm doing. It is on you what you decide to do with your money, of course, because, you know, it's your money. All right, that's going to be pretty much it for this video. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up. It helps the channel tremendously. And if you haven't subscribed, be sure to subscribe to the channel. All right, once again, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey, and I approve this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, take care and be blessed. Peace.